This is awkward. Never talked to a camera before. Today I decided to start a YouTube channel because just for the heck of it. And I wanted to introduce myself. My name's Emma. I'm 17 years old. I love the Beatles and music, and I'm an artist. I don't know if you can tell that I like, records or anything. Or the Beatles. Okay, so my plan today is to show you guys how to improve your style. Oh, it gets darker whenever I do that. So I'm going to give you guys tips on how to improve your style. Don't judge my outfits because I do dress like either I'm from the 70s or I'm a 60-year-old. Let's get started. So this is a cute look. It's just a turtleneck underneath a t-shirt. And what I like to do, I like to tuck it in so it makes it look like you have a smaller waist. This is just to spice up your outfit. That way your outfit doesn't look so boring. This turtleneck is interesting. It has like black little squiggly lines on it. It looks good with any kind of t-shirt, really. It's fun to mix and match. This turtleneck is my favorite. With this outfit, I decided to do a French tuck. As you can see, it's just like halfway tucked in, just in the front. Adding accessories helps an outfit a lot, so here's a little shark tooth necklace that made the outfit come together, I suppose. Here's me looking cool. So I decided that the outfit wasn't cool enough, so I added this little chain belt. This one is interesting. It's a button-up underneath a t-shirt. I like this because I like the color coming through. It took me forever to button the little cuff. I rolled up my sleeves on this one, so it looks really cute, and I tucked it in. This one's definitely an acquired taste, but I think it's obviously adorable. I mean, look at me. Also, I can't dance. It's awful. I feel like button-ups and turtlenecks are a necessity in the winter. It looks so cute with a t-shirt over it. It's just so simple and so cute. And all you need to do is go to Carm, because Carm is where I find 90% of my clothes. I felt this outfit wasn't weird or cute enough, so I added a little button on the collar. It's a little Beatles button. Buttons really help spice up your outfit. This outfit's very interesting and unique. Jackets add a lot to an outfit. I found a free chicken sandwich gift card in my pocket. This jacket looks like it's from the 90s. I got it at Carm, so I'm not really sure if it's actually from the 90s or not, but it's cute. This one is a Christmas jacket. It's one of my favorite jackets, but I only wear it around Christmas time. Yes, that's Santa reading Naughty or Nice list. It's the best jacket in the whole entire world, and I will never stop wearing it, so be quiet. This one is very interesting. It reminds me of the painting from the movie It, the one that Stanley's scared of. So pants. I have the weirdest pants, but it really makes my outfit look amazing. Like, I added a belt to this because it wasn't cool enough for me. These next pants are crazy. I got them on Poshmark. They've got like little faces on them and models. They're very interesting, to say the least. So what you can do if you don't have pants like this, if you just have boring pants like this, you can always paint the bottoms like I did with these. It looks really cute and it's simple. I don't really have a whole lot of shoes, but I love these ones. They're very beat up and stuff. I got them at a thrift store, but I love them. It's always a good idea to have a colorful pair of shoes in case your outfit is boring. Accessories! My favorite part of the outfit. I love earrings. I mix match them so they're never the same, so yeah. Necklaces I wear all the time. Doing your hair is a big part. I don't know how to do hair very well, obviously. as you can see right here. I don't really know what this is. I guess it's a messy bun, but it's cute. My favorite thing to put in my hair is a bandana. You can do so many things with it. This right here looks like it's 60s or 70s-ish. I'm not really sure. You could also tie up a ponytail with it. I think it looks really cute. Very simple. Or you could wear a hat. The only hat I have is a beret, so there you go. So what I was trying to do here is make the skirt look more casual. It's a great outfit. Wearing tennis shoes and a sweatshirt really brings down the dressiness of the skirt, but it still looks really cute and not too lazy or too dressy. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like. I hope this video helps with your style, and stay weird.